Hey, so welcome to the garage. If you take a second, you may notice that there's two people standing face to face, which is so appropriate because what we're going to be going into first is the first stage of circling, which is really about the art of getting someone's world. So that there's two people that I can't tell if they're fighting or not, but I'm just going to make up that they're being with one another. They may be arm wrestling, but let's just say they're being with one another. I just think it's cool that it worked out that way. I'd like you to think that I actually planned that, but it was just the thing that was hanging, covering the window over there that I happened to grab as a backdrop, and it worked out that way. There's something kind of more perfect about that. So I just want to set a little bit of context for about how to listen to these videos. And really, I want to set up a context of what it is that I want to give you through the TCLT. I know a lot of you are here to specifically learn how to circle and want to be a coach. And then there's a lot of you that really aren't interested in doing that. But that there's something that you see that if you were able to be the way one would be to be able to circle, whatever that thing is, there's some intuition that you have that if you knew how to do that or how to be that way, that would give you more of what you want. And I would have to say that, in my experience is that you're very accurate in that perception. And how I want to do that is first of all say that it's impossible for me to take away from you how you see and the way that you see what you see. It's impossible for me to take that away from you. And nor do I want to. However, what I want to do is I want to show you how I see things. That's really, in essence, what I want to do. And what's cool about that is that not only will you not lose your way of seeing the world, but you'll discover that if you start to see the way that I see, is that you're not going to discover the way that I see, is you're going to discover seeing itself. And that you'll actually, once you discover seeing itself, you'll see what you see, and it'll be your seeing. So, what I really want you to know is that, in essence, really, that's what we're doing here, is we're learning how to see. And so I'm going to do my best to, everything that I, draw up here and all the conversations that are going to be presented to you, and everything that we do is my attempt to really show you how it is that I see the way that I see. And the trippy part of it is how I've learned to see, or how I've discovered genuine seeing or genuine listening is, here's the trippy part, is really through learning how to get into your world and learning how you see is where I've discovered seeing. And that's how I've discovered how Guy sees. So I want you to join me on that ride. And I'm going to make it as fun as possible. And what I want for you is I want you to have the experience of really being deeply nourished by everything. And that if there's something that you don't understand, like ask questions, like really like demand that you get the value out of this. If there's some way that I'm doing something, or Alexis is doing something, or Rick is doing something, and you're not totally getting it, like ask us